Look at the manpower.
Yeah.
Now you can have the food. Get closer, you can have the food.
Asingo jube jere.
Singo jube jere.
Singo jube.
Ngaje. Isa fengele.
Ali. Pani kilo odundi science na kilo.
Alaji ni.
Abi mafi.
You know the connection?
Not tomorrow, Alaji.
Bakau fisheries subsector is where they sell shrimps.
Yeah.
So you see, that's why the combination of organic comes as a result of the feed the supply they get out of this area. So you expect that from here. When you go to that end, you will see this how to call the bridge. The bridge where these jetties land. The landing area where they go for fishing, then they come and bring it, they store it here, these for shrimps and other things. So it means that it has come very close to a direct source of income because they are very close to the communities.
Yeah.
So you expect much of organic waste at the market, in all the markets in fact, because they supply different areas within the greater Banjul area, even up to the provinces, depend on the type of fish that they can take to areas with the other areas could not even get. So, but as of now, you know that these tractors are mainly assigned to collect markets and and other satellite. You see one of the waste, the remain of their waste. So it's also part of this thing here. So for markets, we don't have that much problem unless when we have big.
They are producing organic waste every day, isn't it?
Yes.
What are they doing with the waste if there is no set Setal?
Well, anyway, whether there is set Setal or not, on a daily basis, we collect it and dispose it.
Okay.
Every day. And we treat them the way as we on Operation Cleanliness on Day, we treat them the same way as our normal daily routine collection. Even on house-to-house collection, we collect it as normal. It is just like on set, it is rather unfortunate that on Setal days, people are sensitized up to the grassroots level. But what I was telling you that is based on their attitudinal change, that they should change their attitude towards the way they manage their waste, they separate their waste, and they take it out for the collection vehicles to pick them up. Because we are doing this thing for them. We have our quota to do. They also have their quota to do. Because end of the day, may God forbid us, if there is any break out of any other this thing, like let's say cholera or whatsoever, it starts from where it started. It comes from where it started. So you will see that if they are helping us, they will make our job very easy. Where the little process has been done, the ice plant, where they reprocess it immediately and send it to the community. It's a very good project.
So it's a bit similar to Tanji, no?
Yes. Along the bank, you can go up to Tanji, you will see the same thing. Gunjur on the right.
Yeah.
So you will see that when the skip come, it has taken this one and took the other one. Now there's another one. By the time he comes, totally the waste has now been controlled.
Yeah.
So you see the two tractors trying to make sure that nothing happens, because these are the areas that cost of more money in terms of collection, in terms of using the machinery. Because if we don't have shovel loader, and we use higher shovel loader and that of vehicles, tipper trucks, in order to clear the waste within the surrounding. Normally it takes us a lot of days, 4, 5, sometimes 1 week, depend on the volume and depend on the type of loader we have. If we have the correct ones, maybe within day or two, we do finish. The continuous movement of waste collection normally goes down. So after the aftermath of it, and also when house-to-house collection, we have little breakdown when it comes to maintenance of vehicles and so forth. So when we jump certain days, so the reaction normally comes to the communal dumps. So and also we have the elements that normally as private collectors like wheelbarrows and donkey carts at the expense of the municipal authority, the KMC. Instead of them they collect it to go to the disposal side, they will go to the nearest communal dump. Those communal dumps are mainly for small area, mainly for areas that the vehicle haven't even reached their area. They can transport it and easily dump it, and they'll find the dump attendant who will help them to dump it into these things. You know, sometimes the attendants normally face stiffer resistance with communities, because the way they treat them very hostile. They treat them as their enemies, while these people are here to support them, to make sure that everything has been done. Because if everything is dumped on the ground and it goes beyond our control, we spend a lot of money in order to take this thing, and that money that we spend there could have been plowed into other productive sectors to minimize cost. So, because service delivery, we are doing service delivery also. Thinking wisely in order to minimize costs in the way we are doing it. We need the support of the municipal police in order to control, because you have people who are very hostile. They will not see the good job that the attendant is doing. Instead, they will try to provoke him, try to exchange foul words, and they don't know that these people are employed by the municipal authority in order to serve them. But people don't understand that, and where he is taking them, what he is preventing them from, is for the betterment of the community. So, because the immediate outbreak of any diseases here, before it reach to his home, it will start from back out. So, and that may God forbid. So, see, this is why they should collaborate with him and support him and help him. Hadn't been that they are using it the way we expect, you will not find this indiscriminate dumping and so forth. They could even take care of this, that after when the attendant left, you know, they can take care of and secure the place. But now it is high cost on us that we are implanting police officers in the afternoon. Sometimes they are there, sometimes they are not there. In this actual sense that it depends on whatever situation. But for us, our workers, they are always there. Even somebody left, somebody will take care. But these key areas, the police are doing very fine.